Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy tech token on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps, then you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search tech, and you will see tech on Alpha. You can click it, this one, and this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. You will see 24-hour volume, high and low. If you want to see the audit, you can click audit here in the top. This is the audit. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. And you can choose to instant buy, to using instant buy or limit order. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.